would you like me to talk about Fordent? I'm really excited to do it. Our mission is crystal clear. We're starting with dental clinic design and registration to delivery of all type of equipment, all necessary service, warranty. Fordent company is not your run-of-the-mill operation. Over 13 years experience in dental industry. We've successfully completed more than 1,500 projects, equipped more than 4,900 clinics, and delivered a staggering 6,000 dental units. And at the moment, we are accelerating with cutting-edge technologies like CBCT and CAD/CAM. They aren't just numbers, they are a statement to trust our clients and customers have placed in us. At the moment, Fordent is extending its invitation for all manufacturers and producers all over the world, which share our passion for innovation, efficiency, and excellence, for collaboration. We're waiting for you to make a future in dental industry. Fordent is always your partner.